Hello, and welcome to another update video about Ethereum. We take here a look at the daily time frame first, and we go quite quickly to the shorter time frame. Here on the daily chart, main support currently for the directly bullish thesis is located between $1,790 and $2,098. This is seen as a wave 4 correction, which could give us one more high in wave 5. However, Ethereum is quite weak compared to Bitcoin, so take that into account. Currently, we're dealing here with a, as I said, 3-wave move up, and we get a 4th wave pullback, which might be nearly complete. We could get another low. If we get another low, if it doesn't hold $1,790, it is also too deep for a wave 4. At that point, I would start to assume that we might already be in a bearish market. In that case, then I have to watch the blue scenario, which allows for a much larger correction. Or even in the yellow scenario, we could pay attention to this support area between $1,254 and $1,436. However, that would not be that would not be a high confidence scenario. So I am tracking the upper support area for now, and the white count as primary. But in the white count, as it seems like right now, we will get another low. Talked about that earlier today already. And what you can see here is that the price is, either in a situation where we've bottomed already on Friday. That actually looked, let's say, somewhat likely until, earlier today. But because, we always need a 5-wave move to the upside for a confirmation that a low is in. The last few updates, we talked about this micro 5-wave move up and the pullback, and I gave you a support area which the price reacted to, and it rallied. So we were looking for higher, at least in the short term. But then from there, the price only rallied in 3 waves. So it's a larger 3-wave move. We did not form 5 waves above resistance as shown in the white scenario. I can remove that now. I mean, it's not forming 5 waves up. That's the problem. Could it be something different? For sure, but it's not a 5-wave move up. So my assumption at the moment would have to be that this is some kind of a B-wave rally, which was the yellow scenario we talked about in the last update, that this was an A wave down, B wave up, and we now go down in wave C. It seems like that. That means wave C could send us pretty much to $1,800. Actually, this is purely based on the Fibonacci support area. I can also measure a target. So I take the length of the A wave down, I go to the high of the B wave, and there's good overlap here. So the 100% extension level is normally an ideal target for such a C wave, and that also points towards $1,800. So I would watch that level. For now, the market has started to drop in 5 waves. So that 5-wave move down we have here is the indication that the C wave down has actually started. What I would like to see, though, is a bounce at some point in what would be yellow wave 2. So we have 5 waves down in wave 1, and then the bounce would be wave 2, but it should be a corrective rally. That's why I added earlier today to the chart already the resistance area, which is located between $2,353 and $2,487. But this resistance area will move with the price until it started to stabilize somehow. So we had the rally fueled by the Trump news. You might have heard about it. And now we are coming down again. And Ethereum has rallied in 3 waves. So now 5 waves down. That's not a good combination from a bullish point of view. So this could actually be a valid short trade setup. However, I want to see a rally into resistance. Otherwise, this is just, there isn't really a setup as such, because we need a rally into resistance for a good reward to risk ratio to maybe trade a 3rd wave down. Sometimes we don't get a corrective bounce. There's no sign of such a bounce. Now, where could we find some support? Local support could be found maybe in this area here around 2,200 to 2,100, but for now it's just dropping. So I'll pay attention to the resistance area, and yellow has become much more likely, and it seems like we're gonna at least test the Friday low for now. And if the rally is corrective and we form a lower high, that would confirm it further. That's the update about Ethereum. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.